Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef broth. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 3 to 4 pounds of beef bones, a few carrots, celery stalks, and an onion. Don't forget some fresh herbs like parsley and thyme, plus a bay leaf. A large stock pot is perfect for this, or you can use a slow cooker for convenience. Make sure you have plenty of cold water ready to cover everything. Next, we'll roast the beef bones. This step is crucial for a rich, deep flavor. Place your bones on a baking sheet and roast them in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until they are nicely browned. Once roasted, transfer the bones and your chopped vegetables into your stock pot. Pour in enough cold water to fully submerge everything, then bring it to a very gentle simmer. As your broth begins to simmer, you'll notice some foam rising to the top. It's important to skim this off periodically to keep your broth clear and clean. Use a ladle or a large spoon for this. Now is also a good time to add your seasonings. About 1 teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of whole black peppercorns. Let it simmer gently for at least 6 hours or even up to 24 hours for maximum flavor. Once your broth has simmered to perfection, it's time to strain it. Carefully pour the entire contents of your pot through a fine mesh sieve or a colander lined with cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Discard all the solids. Let the rich liquid cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store your homemade beef broth in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or freeze it for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.